Hey everyone, I was so excited today. I wanted to share my unboxing of my worms. They came today and I ordered them from eBay. If I had watched Diva Jones 03's video before, I would have purchased it probably from the person that she mentioned, but we'll see. I'm very happy with it. This is the way they came packaged. It was priority mail and they had this newspaper shredding to cushion it, and they had a note on the outside alerting the mail carrier that live worms were in here to handle with care, so that gives it an extra chance for it to survive. It's relatively cool. I need to grab some scissors here. I have this knife. Let's see here. Careful to cut away from the worms and from myself. Okay, let's open. Alrighty. Okay. There's quite a few worms in here. I'm sure because of the travels that they are on the lighter side. Whoa, I feel a bunch of them right there. Oh my goodness. You know, I'm very pleased with this. I did pay more because I didn't see Diva Jones's video until afterwards. But let me pour this into a container so you can see how many I got. I only ordered a pound. Let's pour this here. This is peat moss. Oh, look at that. Oh my, look at that. And you can see the node there, and that indicates that it's an adult. So those are the ones that are ready to breed. I do see some small ones, some younger ones in there as well. And that little node is considerably smaller, but wow, look at this one. Whoa, what have they been feeding him? But anyway, I'm very pleased with this. It was roughly the same price as Diva Jones paid, but she got double because they're running a special, and I didn't know about that special. So I'm going to leave a link to her video where she references that, and then if you can get that special, that will be great. But I'd already ordered it, and I'm satisfied. You know, it is what it is, and they rapidly multiply. So that is it. I'm going to go ahead and put them in their temporary house, and hopefully they'll go ahead and start breaking down some of the yard waste. And I got their scraps. They love things like cantaloupe. Checked one of my other smaller bins that I already have, and there's tons of babies all over the cantaloupe. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up, but I just wanted to share this. Thanks so much. Oh, and I'll also put a link to the person that I ordered from. Again, the deal that Diva Jones got is probably going to be a much better deal because she got twice. Alrighty, thanks. Bye-bye.